What's the difference between chili powder and cayenne pepper?
Today, we're going to explore the key differences between two popular spices, chili powder and cayenne pepper. Both spices add heat to your dishes, but they are not interchangeable. Let's dive into the details.
What is chili powder?
Chili powder is a blend of dried, ground chili peppers and additional spices such as cumin, oregano, garlic powder, and salt. This mixture gives the powder a unique flavor profile that's perfect for a variety of dishes, especially in Mexican and Southwestern cuisine. Common uses of chili powder is often used in dishes like chili con carne, tacos, enchiladas, and fajitas. It can also be used as a rub for meats or added to stews and soups for a burst of flavor.
What is cayenne pepper?
Cayenne pepper, on the other hand, is a pure, ground spice made from dried, red cayenne chili peppers. It's a very hot and pungent spice that is often used in small quantities to add heat to a dish. Common uses of cayenne pepper is versatile and can be used in a wide range of recipes, including hot sauces, curries, soups, and stews. It's also a popular ingredient in many spice blends, such as Cajun and Creole seasonings.
How do they differ in heat?
The heat of a pepper is measured using the Scoville scale. Cayenne pepper is typically hotter than chili powder, with a Scoville rating of 30,000 to 50,000 units. Chili powder, due to its blend of spices, usually has a milder heat ranging from 1,000 to 3,000 Scoville units. This difference in heat makes them suitable for different dishes and personal preferences.
Can you substitute one for the other?
While both spices add heat to your dish, substituting one for the other is not recommended due to their distinct flavor profiles. Using cayenne pepper instead of chili powder will result in a much hotter and less complex taste, as you'll be missing the additional spices found in chili powder. Likewise, substituting chili powder for cayenne pepper will result in a milder and more flavorful dish, potentially altering the intended taste of the recipe. In summary, while both chili powder and cayenne pepper are made from ground chili peppers, they differ in terms of their composition, flavor profile, and heat level. Chili powder is a blend of spices that is milder and more complex, while cayenne pepper is a pure, hotter spice. Keep these differences in mind when cooking and enjoy the unique flavors each spice brings to your dishes.